Alright guys, so since I got the jacket on today, we're gonna go ahead and do my intro a cappella style. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah! What up? That was my intro a cappella style. Yeah! What up? Oh, I like that. But guess what, guys? Today we're gonna talk about all the mods that I've done to my Iron 883. And then we're gonna go get into that baby right there, because that bike looks fire.
Facts.
So if you're new to my channel, guys, make sure to subscribe, like, hit that bell button. It's gonna notify you anytime I upload a new video. And if you're into any mods, if you're into Forcers, Iron 883s, any reviews, adventurize, then you're in the right place. So hit the subscribe button, baby. So very special video today. I was gonna wait for later on until maybe I did a few more modifications to the bike to do the full video on it, but I'm not sure yet. I might be getting rid of the bike in a month or two, and I don't think I'm gonna be investing more money into it. It just doesn't make any sense. But if not, if I do decide to stay with it, then yeah, I'll probably add more stuff to it. So we're gonna go ahead and start. We're gonna go and start with the top. My number one modification that I got for free, and the best mod you can get that makes this bike look super badass. It's just a minor flipping of the mirrors here. So when you get the bike, at first they come stock and they're obviously on top. So that was a real easy mod right there. Flip them upside down, it makes it look really badass, man. All right, now the second modification that I did are the turn signals in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off for you guys right now to see how it looks. There we go. So if you go ahead and turn on the turn signal, it'll turn amber yellow. For your blinker, you cut off, and then it turn back to white with that little halo glow around it, which looks pretty badass. All right, so I ordered the lights, and it also came with the smoke lenses all in one pack, which is a pretty good deal. And that was a very easy install. So if you guys want to see a video to that, I'm gonna link it up at the end. Very simple install. All you need is a screwdriver, pop it out, put these in, and you're done. It takes about like literally 4 or 5 minutes. The next mod I did was the grill. I also did a video on the grill install. I got the grill on Amazon. Very simple as well. Well, this was actually a little harder. Not hard, but it took a little more time because I had to literally take off the whole light and put the grill through it. But I mean, I like it. Some people don't like it. I think it looks pretty badass. They do have different grills out there, but this one to me was pretty cool. All right, so now the next modification I did was the LED headlight in the front, which you guys know that these bikes, even the 2019, 2020s, they don't come with LED headlights. It's a old yellow looking lights. So I did change that out as well. That was another video that I did. As you can see right there's on a high beam, put on a low beam right there. Gives the bike a really nice look, and it actually makes a big difference in riding at night. Looks pretty cool. Now the next modification I did, which was actually my first mod that I did, was change out the pipes. These are Vance and Hines slip-ons. They sound amazing. And they look amazing on the bike as well. I didn't want to go with a full exhaust system. I didn't want to spend all that money, and I didn't think that honestly the horsepower was going to be a big difference, so I didn't want to go that route. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off for you guys, let you guys hear those bad boys. And it goes a little something like this. Sound amazing. I love them. I love the whole aesthetics of them. I was gonna go with the short shots like Fern has on his bike, but the short shots are a little more money and I don't want to go that route, but I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I think they look really good. The next modification that I did to the bike was the Sissy bar on the back. I gotta be honest with you guys, I really wanted this Sissy bar since I got the bike. I never got around to getting it. Once I did get it, I had it on for about a week, and for some reason, like I literally hated the way the whole bike looked, and I took it off for maybe a month or two, and then out of nowhere I decided to put it back on, and now I just don't want to take it off. I just think it looks really badass. I rarely, you know, tie anything to the bike. I don't really ride around with gotta tie stuff to it. I got it purposely just for aesthetics, nothing else. And I was gonna later on get a little pillion seat for my wife to ride on and everything like that, so that way if anything I would have got a backrest for her, but never got around to do that. Like I said before, now that I might be getting rid of the bike, I really don't want to keep dumping money into it, even though there's one thing I'm gonna do, and there's something that you guys should know. Any parts that you get for your bikes, keep them, because they might fit the next Harley you get. So for example, the turn signals and the housing lights right here, these lights actually fit the bikes on Softails. So I'm probably gonna take this bike, I'm probably gonna take these lights off before I sell the bike and see if it fits the next bike I might get, which is the Lowrider S. As you guys know, I'm crazy in love with that bike. And I think that's it. I don't think I've done anything else. I don't know if I'm missing anything. I think it's gonna be it. Like I said, I've done a review and an install for each and every one of these mods. And if you guys wanna know where I got them all the links are gonna be linked down below. I got everything from Amazon with the exception of the pipes and with the exception of the Sissy bars, which they are straight from Harley Davidson. And that's it. I'm gonna list the links for everything. I'm gonna list the price for everything so you guys are well aware of everything. Oh, I did forget one thing. How can I forget? I almost forgot about the last mod that I installed maybe like a month or two ago, which was a spoiler right here in the front. Really cool, real simple install as well. It took me about 5 minutes to install. It's real nice and easy. You put some bolts in there, you put the plate on, and that's it. It's really cool. The only thing I didn't put was Loctite, so I want to take off the spoiler, go back in it, and put some lights on it, because I hear sometimes when I'm riding that it rattles a bit. That's it. Let me know how many mods. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the reason why I love the Iron 883, because you can just do so much to it. I'll put it next to Vern's bike over there, and you can tell that the bike, just with the different modifications that he's done to it, the bike looks totally different. So it's like, you could do so much to them and make him look any way you want, that it's fun, man. Like that's one of the best parts about having this bike. That's gonna be it, guys. Guys, if you're new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button right now, it's gonna notify you, ding, anytime I upload a new video. And like always, ride safe and enjoy the ride. Peace.